Okay, plumbing the barrels. One thing to look for is the proper caps. Some caps have no threads down here, and some caps do. I don't know if you can see those threads, but that's 3/4 inch threads. So all you got to do is drill that out and put a 3/4 threaded to slip fitting, which is right here. Put one of those puppies in it, and your outside is plumbed. And the inside I either use a whichever fits. Let's take a look at one of these in here. It's a 1 inch. I get threaded and slip because some of them will want to thread in around this, and then some of them will only go in with the slip. But what this does is you turn it facing down, and it gets your water out to within maybe not even a 1/2 inch of water left in there once your siphon is going. Without that there, you'd have 2 inches of water at the bottom at the end of your siphon. So it's pretty simple. You 3/4 threaded over here to slip, 1 inch either threaded or slip on the inside facing down, and you're all set. No drilling your barrels at all. Oh, one other thing I want to show you about the tops is I made this tool to open them with. It's 1.5 inches with slots cut in it, 4 slots, and that goes right down into your cap, and then 1, 2, 3. Just a little handy idea. Okay, stay tuned. I should have it plumbed in my grow beds plumbed into my tanks. Next video.